Welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. I'm Yaz, and today I'm going to show you how I got this cool girl glam look using all of Iconic London's must-have products. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. For my base, of course, I'm going to use the Underglow Blurring Primer and the Super Smoother Blurring Skin Tint, and these two together give you the most perfect flawless base. What I love about this blurring skin tint is it gives you a nice blur to your skin, but also gives you radiance. So you have that flawless base, but also have a little bit of a glow, which I love. How glowy my skin looks. Next, the Super Smoother Blurring Skin Tint. I'm using the shade Golden Deep. What I love about this skin tint is it's buildable, so you can apply as much as you want. If you want fuller coverage, apply more product. If you want less coverage, you can really just sheer it out, and it really just gives your skin that radiance. Like, you guys can already see it, and in combination with the Underglow Blurring Primer, it just looks fabulous. I want more coverage, so I'm just going to apply a little bit more onto my face just to give me a bit more coverage, because the look we're going for today is very glam, so you want to be as covered as possible. My favorite product that Iconic London has ever released, it's the Radiant Concealer and Brightening Duos. I kid you not, I have not stopped using these since I got them. The way it brightens your under eye is like nothing I've ever seen. I'm in the shade Golden Deep. Let's just use it. So I'm going to start off with the crayon side, which is the brightener. As you guys can see, mine has been well used. So I'm just going to apply like this on this side. But let's blend this out so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because it's so good. Do you see how bright my under eye is already? I cannot explain to you how good this is. So like, what? You don't need anything else. You just need this. You can just wear this on its own. It's so good. I'm going to apply on this side. And that is both sides with the brightening crayon. It is insane how pearlescent and luminous my under eyes look. Now let's finish off the under eye with the fluid concealer. You only need a small amount for this concealer because it's so good. It has such amazing coverage. You guys can see the difference for yourself. I've got the sheer blush, sheer bronzer, and the illuminator, and I'm going to be using the world famous ombre technique. And let me show you how to do it. To start, we're going to use the sheer bronze, and what you need to do is apply little dots along the hollows of your cheekbones, like that. And then next, we're going to take the sheer blush, and we're going to do the same thing, but on our cheekbones. So, a couple of dots like that. And next, we're going to take the illuminator and do a couple of dots where I would highlight. We're going to take a brush and we're going to blend that all together. So literally swiping it along your face like that to blend. And I know it looks scary, but trust me, it blends out perfectly. I've done this so many times. Do you see how that is just all come together? Isn't it crazy? And these products are like the perfect products to do that because they're not too heavy. Hasn't that created the most gorgeous flush of color on my cheekbone area? So now I'm going to do this side. So quick and easy to do. You don't have to worry about layering a bunch of products on your face. You can just do this technique. I'm going to use the other side because you don't want to mess up the whole vibe. And now that's all blended. Doesn't my cheekbones look gorgeous and glowy? Now let's go to the next step. Next, my fave, the liquid brow seal. What we're going to do is we're going to brush the product back and forth to coat the brow hairs. And then just brush into your desired shape. And don't worry, I know it's looking white right now, but it actually dries down. So you have a nice, lovely set brow all day. Use my finger to make sure that is all nice and set. And do you see that? A lovely brow. Now this side. Now my brows are all in place. I'm gonna actually fill in my brows and we'll move on to the next exciting step. For the exciting bit, these are Iconic London's new Smokey Duo Kajal eyeliners, and I cannot wait to show you guys the shades. So they are perfect for that defined hypnotic smoky eye, which is all the rage right now. It's really giving cool girl vibes. On one side, you have the chunky Kajal side, which is matte, which gives you a nice sultry eye look. And on this side, we have the rich satin precision Kajal, gives you a nice brightening and smoldering effect on the waterline and lash line. So let me show you how I use them. So we have 7 beautiful shades which are suitable for every single eye color. So I'm gonna swatch them for you because they really give you that captivating, brightening, Kajal smoky eye effect. So let's start off with juniper green. So this is the chunky side. And this is the precision side. Do you see how stunning that is? Ash grey, electric blue, chocolate brown, spiced plum, midnight black, last but not least, neutral. These are the 7 Kajal shades and they are absolutely stunning. So because I've got black brown eyes, I'm going to use the shade electric blue. I'm going to start off with the chunky side. Draw along my lid to create a smoky eye effect. That colour on me already looks stunning. Wow. It's literally making my eyes pop. I'm just going to smoke that out a little bit. I'm just going to concentrate and leave it on my eye line, as I don't want to bring it up to my eye. I just want to keep it in this small area. And now I'm going to use the precision side to go on my waterline and my lash line on the bottom eye. What I love about this product, it's been ophthalmologically tested, which means it's safe for the eyes, so you don't have to worry about any sort of eye problems. Iconic has got you. Just taking a brush and I'm just applying it on. And we're just going to blur slightly just to give that worn effect, because this is a cool party girl vibe. So you want to look like you've been out partying, but you don't want to look messy, if you get what I mean. Okay, and that is one eye done. I'm going to do this eye and then I'll be right back. And that is the eye look all done. It's giving very much Cool Girl. You guys can see it. It's like, I'm obsessed with this already. So next I'm going to use the triple threat mascara and my lashes. I'm going to put those on off camera and I'll be right back. So this is my finished eye look. What do you think? I am obsessed with it. It's really giving a cool girl vibes. So now let's move on to the lips, and I'm going to be using the Full of Power lip liners. They are my favorite. They're some of my favorite lip liners, and it comes with a little blender at the bottom as well. I'm actually using the shade 7 Looks. And do you see how this applies so creamy? I'm obsessed. And to finish my lips, I'm going to be using the Lost Lip Oil in Queen Bee. Do you see how glossy and like shiny that looks? Of course, to set my makeup, I'm going to be using the Prep Set and Glow. I'm using the shade Glow. I'm just going to shake that. And I love this because it really just makes your skin look radiant. The reason why it's called Prep Set and Glow is it has 3 uses. You can use it to prep your makeup, you can use it to set your makeup, and it also gives you a nice glow if you want extra glow. And it's just so pretty. These never fail to stun me. Okay, I'm going to change and I'll be back. And that is the makeup look. What do you think? I'm obsessed with how my makeup turned out. It's very much given a cool girl glam look. I'm obsessed. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, babes.